In this video, we're continuing our discussion of how the grid component can be used as a more powerful substitute for a dialog component in version 10. So we've demonstrated how you can create a grid that looks like a dialog and behaves like a dialog. But obviously, in a dialog component, what you do is after you've validated everything, the dialog component has an after validate event where you insert all your XBasic code to process the data that the dialog component submitted. Well, since this is a grid component and there's no concept of an after validate event, we're going to go here, to our events, and what we'll do is insert our code in the after insert record event, which is basically over here, which will be the equivalent of the dialog components after validate event. And then finally, after the user enters the data into the grid, you'll probably want to redirect to another page in your application. So we'll simulate that right now by going to update settings over here and target page. So this is the target page where control will be sent to after the user submits the grid with no error. So we'll just temporarily go here to Google. So let's go ahead now and then save our component and test it out. So here we go. If we submit an empty form, let's go there and submit with empty data, and we get our errors. We make some corrections over there and then hit submit, and then you can see we go to Google. So as you can see here, the grid component can be configured in such a way that it is a great replacement for the dialog component. And by using the grid, you get features such as auto suggest, edit combo, more powerful error checking, AJAX callbacks, and a whole slew of new features that are not available in the dialog component.